hide my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stands still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never laid us out. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm doing yesterday. I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy sea. with a slow motion crew, and we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a lone low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding.
Good morning, everybody. Good evening. How's everybody doing today? I think we're live. I think it's good. It's all come through. Let's see here. What up? How you guys doing? Nasa ba nyo? Galing sa work? It's funny. I mean, sometimes I've been watching YouTube in the restroom too. Damn, you got that the late night work or what? Set up some coffee, man. Somebody remind me to go to bed like early. I've been doing like OT, man, overtime. That's the thing about this sometimes, man. Like, you put in so many hours, even though you don't need to. You're not really like, you don't really need to. Hindi mo naman kailangan na mag overtime dito sa trading or anything like that. But that's the thing with, you know, with passion, right? Once na mahanap mo yung passion mo, man, it's like it doesn't matter how many hours you put in trying to, I guess, make it happen. And so yeah, this is what you get. And you know, you have a live stream in the morning, and yeah, it's not good. It's not good in my end, you know, because like this is several, like, man, how many times I've been late here, and nobody calls me. I'm learning candlesticks right now. Put 3 hours every day. Now investing some more. Oh man, dude, when I was learning candlesticks for the first time, learning this whole charts and stuff like that for the first time, I had no idea, man, what people were talking about on YouTube. I had no idea what, you know, it took me a while to catch up. It's crazy until, I don't know, I just watched the charts over and over and over until I finally realized, oh, that's what it's doing. And then then there was different time frames. I used to just watch the 1 minute charts. Those were pretty crazy. You think stock 1 minute charts is like it's crazy? You think those red candles are huge? Man, wait till you see crypto 1 minute charts, man. You're gonna be like, whoa, this is wild. So yeah, man. I remember those days. When I had to learn charts. When I was trying to make myself like learn charts. Yeah, it was like a whole different language to me. It's like somebody kidnapped me and put me in China somewhere, and everybody's like speaking Chinese, and I'm just like, what? So what's happening, everybody? If you're watching this and it doesn't say live, good morning. And it doesn't say live in the bottom of the screen. You are watching a recap. We are running a little behind, more like an hour behind. Yeah, I'm torturing myself for it, so you guys don't have to. But today should be an easy day. It's we're not gonna see too many crazy things in the space. We had the SEC news yesterday with Ripple, which was all positive. The judge had to tell the defending attorney or the defendants to slow down, because the judge obviously had Ripple, and she had some more Bitcoin and Ethereum that she wanted to sell to transfer and buy some XRP. So but I think this whole thing is gonna end with a settlement. So we'll wait. We'll see what happens next week. She's supposed to be coming out with some good news about the whole thing. So we'll see. Possibly about Monday or Tuesday, we should find out more. What's going on, guys? I need to do that. Yeah, 156 XRP is currently sitting at right now. So here's the thing about what happened. We had 140, 142 was a huge resistance for XRP, and it's now become a huge support, right? It's a pretty massive support right now with XRP. As you can tell, it even tells you right over here on our volume profile, where that huge support is coming from. So if I change a little bit of the lining here, make that red, make the line a little bit bigger, so, and then the more we kind of change this chart somewhere around here, there it is right there, it's gonna tell you this point of control area, which is the red dotted line. That's where this massive support is at now. So even if this thing goes down, it's it's gonna hit 140, 139 area, and then lots of buyers will step in and push the price higher, right? So the next resistance that we are looking at to break, so we're gonna try and break this piece by piece, right? All these resistance that we have. So 140 is already pretty much done, right? The next resistance is what? Right here at 164, 165, right? So we gotta break that, and then the next resistance is at 195, okay? And then right after that, the only resistance that I know of is the 220 area, okay? But 195 is probably the biggest out of everything else. So we have to break those, and then we will start to head towards the ATH. So be patient, find out where you are currently on the chart before you do anything. Let's see what we got going on. Let's look at this real quick. So we need to cool off on this we need to cool off on the 4-hour chart, so expect a little bit more downtrend, but all that is healthy for us to move higher, right? So we got to get rid of all the sellers that are up here, let them weak hands sell the position, and then we can move higher from there. All right, 1 hour looking good. Let's see, 4 hours. We got the daily looking good still. Where's my 15-minute at? Yeah. So based on this, I mean, we could see another push, try to break this area and head towards like 170, 175, and then if we could get above 175, definitely we're gonna see something really interesting this weekend, or maybe possibly by Monday, if it could break 175. If not, then look for more downside towards this 146, 140, 146 area, just because we never really retested that area. It was a big breakout, so it was a huge breakout because we were stuck in this battle zone right here, and then finally we broke out of it. But that was a huge resistance, like I was saying, and then now it's becoming a big huge support, so we could see it retest that support, right? I don't know. Hindi ko alam kasi parang list lang to ng it's like I think 1 hour worth of music. I'll find out for you. I don't know which music you're talking about, which song. Just yeah, let me know what song or how long ago was it playing. I'll try to find out. But yeah, so that's XRP. Stay patient with XRP. It's gonna get there, but remember, XRP is a lagger, and but when it moves, man, it can move. All right. I think kagabi po na ano daw. Oh, you've been listening to that song? Okay, now. Oh, that's good. I got, that's cool. I guess you guys like house music, huh? I like house music. It's not too crazy, it doesn't get you all turned up. It doesn't make you fall asleep either. I think it's just very chill, you know what I mean? It's very chill, especially if you're studying. He said Doge. This dog is barking, man. Somebody tell this dog. What's up with Doge, man? Is he gonna finally go for what's that all-time high right here? 45 cents? Oh my. Yeah. This song right now? I don't know. Kasi ano lang yan, 1 hour's worth of, music, I guess. Is it too loud? I hope it's not too loud. I can turn it down. Do I need to turn it down a little bit? Is it too loud for y'all? Here, what I can do is I'm about to if I can get it fast, I can tell you what the song is called. Oh no. Let me see. Is it about to finish? Hold on. I'm about to tell you right now. I think it's finished. Well, next time I hear it again, I'll tell you guys what song it is. I have this app. That you can just like put it close to whatever's playing and it'll tell you exactly what song it is. So whenever you hear it, or whenever, if you want me to hear, if you want me to find out what song it is, I can tell you. I got the app now. Okay, cool. All right. Let me know if it gets too loud up in here. So Doge, man, what's up? What's happening with Doge? So you can see there's lots of volume with Doge right now. Let's look at the, where you at though? There it is. Let's see what's happening with Doge. So just like XRP is kind of battling that 702 area, right? So anything, if Doge can get above this level here, then the next possible target for Doge is 38 cents, and then eventually work its way back above this. You know, I don't know how many times did it try to break this area here, but this is a big, big level for Doge. So yeah, BTT, hold it, man. BTT can really move. I think you missed the lowest low of BTT. So BTT, I mean, if you got in like right here somewhere, I think you got it, you bought the dip. So if you're holding BTT, hold it. It's got some, resistance ahead of it, a lot of it, but once it gets above all these resistance right here, what is this? How much is that? 80 or 8 cents. Then you got 9. Then you got 1 penny finally, and then the biggest one that you got to get, is once, I guess 13. I don't know, whatever, 13 cents. Yeah, it's over here somewhere, and then you should get Steam. You should be picking up Steam soon. So I don't know why it didn't show now. There it is. So when you see your EMA lines start to cross like this, right? Especially the green one. Get ready for some moves like this right here. Right here was kind of canceled out because of the big drops, the volatility that we had last week. But over here, as you can see, starting to kind of squeeze through. So and your lines are a little closer to each other. So once the green and the yellow starts pointing up, I mean, as you can see, the EMA starting to point up, and then now you got to go and take a look at your relative strength index and see where it's starting to head towards, right? So as you can see, it's ready. It's definitely ready to go. So if you're already positioned right here, down here, then you're good, kind of good to go. The playlist name on this song, oh man, di ko alam. I don't know either because I was looking for, okay, so ginawa ko kasi Nag-YouTube na lang ako ng non-copyrighted songs, right? A playlist that plays like on this 1 hour loop or something like that. And I guess this was maybe the second or the third one that I tried to play to make sure that there's no commercials, first of all, and then second, it was that, like, it wasn't too hyped, it wasn't too relaxing where you want to fall asleep. So somewhere in the middle, and I found this playlist, but now I can't remember because let me see if I can find it though. Somewhere over here. Yeah, just put in on the here's the title of it, best on the Reddit song. There you go. I put it in the chat so that way if you guys want to look it up, there it is. Oh man, yesterday was crazy. Yesterday was wild. Let's see. Yesterday was pretty wild. We had the giveaway yesterday. And our, the views on that was just, it was pretty amazing. And then the, what do you call it? The subscribers, man, it went up a lot. So I appreciate you guys for subscribing and liking the video, commenting on that. Mr. Michael, I forgot his last name already, hasn't messaged me yet. If you're watching this, you have about now less than a week to claim your $100 worth of XRP. Otherwise, we would have to redo or reshuffle the comments. So we're gonna have to start over. So you have 1 week until Friday next week. That would be May 7 to find a way to message me. I've already tried to reach out to you, but no reply. So I don't know where you at. So, yep. Somebody asked TRX. Look at a higher time frame. Let's see. So this is going to be a big level for him, for TRX as well. So everything is pretty much lining up with each other, right? Everything is pretty much in that range, getting ready to, I guess, take off. So May is a big month for crypto. May and June is going to be big months for crypto. You're going to see a lot of movement within just these 2 months. Where's that 702? So we'll put it right here, right there. Where's that lowest? So again, everything's gonna be battling that 702 area. So everything's just getting ready, man. Getting set up, laying out that, making sure supports are good before it creates this next leg up. Does that make sense? So if you're buying and selling here, you better be making sure you have a long term to back it up, right? So your long term is what's going to make you the bigger amount eventually within this next 1 or 2 months. And then your short term, which is your day trading and all that, um, you shouldn't be selling or you shouldn't be doing futures in right here, because there's hardly any movement, right? It's trying to get rid of all the sellers first. There's big volume here, which will help drive the price up to this 702 area. But then again, it's will it break it? We really don't know. But we are possibly going into another consolidation mode around here, right? Until we break this resistance. So I mean, because everything is pretty much all in sync right now. So but yeah, like I mean, you should have been adding here, but if you want to add here, that's fine. It's just there's this really big support. If you're adding it to the long term, that's cool, because it don't matter even if we see yung parang another pullback down here. That's fine. Don't worry about the pullbacks if you're holding long term, because all that's gonna do is just if you hold it, then it's just gonna keep going up anyways. I mean, it's alt season is barely getting started. That's the crazy part. We haven't even seen the craziness yet. But it all comes really fast. Okay, so be careful. That's why we went over some exit strategies yesterday. I want to see if I can get one of Mr. RJ here. Hold on. Check it. Yo, RJ, are you here? Totally forgot about that guy. Yo, are you live? Hold on. Can you say something, bro? And then I'm gonna turn off the music real quick. Can you say something and then see if everybody can hear you? Talk louder. I forgot to give you the mic yesterday. Can y'all hear him? Naririnig nyo si the AR. He's a little shy. Hindi nyo naririnig? Okay, sige. Wait. How about now? Say something, bro.
Hello.
Testing. No audio.
Anong ginawa mo ba?
Nilagay ko sa I was trying to what do you call it?
Late reaction, man. May late reaction sila sa
Ayun, naririnig ka na. Mahina lang yung yung boses mo.
Hindi, I think late reaction nata.
Yeah, the latency is a little ang tawag dito? It's a little like I think a couple seconds behind, but try it now.
What's up? Yeah, late. Nanonood din si Crystal kaya late. Sabi niya.
Oh, yeah.
What happened?
I think they can hear you. Just talk louder.
Hello? Naririnig niyo ba kami?
Are you gonna share your screen?
Malakas na yung boses ko, bro.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Then here's what I'm gonna do real quick. All right. How about now?
Oh, hello.
There you
Kamusta na? Late pa rin. Like, pero okay na yan, bro. I mean,
Yeah, that's fine.
yung dati, maayos ba yung dati? Like, what are we been using the other day? The other last
Hindi.
one?
And I just turned up the volume. Okay na daw.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yung pala.
So, you gonna share your screen? What?
Huh?
You gonna share your screen?
I'm not sure. Ano ba yung papakita ko?
I don't know. What?
Share my...
You wanna share some thoughts? You wanna share some
Oo.
chartings?
Oh, ano ba yung inano mo na?
I was talking about TRX last,
Okay.
and how
BTP
everything
na lang,
is how
kausapin
everything is
BTP
pretty
na
much
lang.
how everything is pretty much matching with the 702 area on the fib retracement.
Okay, hold on. So, yeah. BTP na lang kasi nag-post ako nito eh. Na
Okay.
bumili ako nito. So, I was like,
Okay, sige. Share your screen. Okay, so you got it.
nakashare na yata.
Okay,
Di ba?
no, I got it.
Yeah. I think it have to.
Okay, you got it, bro.
Sige nga, patingin nga ng screen ko. Dang. Ako na ba yun? Hindi pala.
Ikaw yan.
Ako to?
Oo.
Alright. Then. So, yeah. May nakapao pa ba? Okay.
Be right back. I gotta use the restroom.
Alright, man. So, yeah. Kumusta? Nag-break. Nag-break yung isa. Good morning. Good evening pala sa inyo. Good morning sa amin. Kakape pa lang kami. So yeah, man, BTT. Bumili ako nito eh. Kasi feeling ko hindi pa ako certain sa nila sa naririnig niyo ba ako? Mag kayo, mag yes or no? At least may sumagot. Thank you, Lex. Thank you, Lex Marvin. Yeah, man, bumili ako nito kasi I think my future sila para sa akin, which is I haven't even read the news. Wala man lang akong news, but literally mag-ano ako nito sa kanila. So anyway, bumili ako sa kanila ng at least I think 2,000 shares, worth 2,000 shares. So, like leave it right there and let's see what's gonna happen. Anyway, wag kayong mag-trade kasi hindi ako financial advisory. Ano lang ako, ano ba itong tawag sinasabi nila? Na nagtututo lang din. Nag-shares lang ako. So, yeah. So, sa tingin ko sa kanila dati, ano ba ito? Asan na ba ako? Dinilit ko kasi yung mga ano ko eh. Paano ko siya rinid. So anyway, parang malapit na sila pataas na uptrend na sila papuntang price ng shares nila. I think undervalue sila ngayon eh. Saan ba yung ano nila? Saan ba yun? Ba yan? Nasa ibang ano ko. Nasa ibang... Hold on. Let me open my Weibo. They have some information over here too. Open up my Weibo, man. Sana maraming screen na Oh yeah, oh yeah. Ay, ano ko na lang pala. Oh shit, ano pala. Diyan pala yun. Ano ba? Okay, para sa akin, I would say the Fibonacci. Yeah. I think nag-consolidate talaga sila sa 50% ano nila. Nag-hit talaga sila ng 61. Kung nakita ko lang to, I think nag-jump ako rito. Dito ako nag-jump. Napansin ko na lang sila nung nasa 50s na eh. So, kaya feeling ko mataas yung nila. Potential na tataas talaga. Magbre-break sila ito. Pwede silang ma-hit muna yung peak nito right here or halfway. Naglagay ako rata rito ng ng alert eh. Man, nag-alert ata ako dun around this price right here, like 0.11. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 11. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah. Yeah, nag-set lang ako dito ng ng price range ko kung ma-hit nila yan at saka titingnan ko ulit yung technical analysis nila kung saan sila talaga pupunta. Pero kung kapag maging weak yung nila, yung demand nila, I think it's in demand. I would say demand kapag maging weak, baka mag-stream ako rito. Pero depende lang din sa itong index depende sa MACD, sa RSI, at saka sa stock RSI ko. And sa news din, of course. But anyway, yan lang yung ko ngayon. But Bollinger Squeeze. Yun nag-squeeze na siya kasi. But kadalasan ko lang yung tinitingnan. Yeah. Yeah, possible.
Do you think? Oh, sorry, bro.
But possible. Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
Nakikinig ka na pala. Nandiyan ka na pala.
Oh. Do you think that there's a possibility that babalik ulit yan sa 50 MA?
50 MA ko?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a possible, man. Kasi I think it's gonna start uptrending from this one, from this position. Like, this is gonna be the first move of their uptrend.
To get back up there?
Yeah, but it might hit my 50 MA 50.
50 MA?
Yeah. Mas maganda rin siya. Pero hindi ako sure kung which side are they. Like,
yeah. Cool.
When it's gonna hit, like, it's probably gonna hit right on this share, or probably it's gonna hit like lower share. We're not sure yet.
Yeah.
Because I want to see if it's gonna go up and hit this, and by the time maybe but I'm not sure, but para sa akin, I'll take a profit over here, probably like 25% or 50% if it hits that. Because that's my taking profit.
What is that? The 0.236? 0.236?
Where was it?
Yeah, right there.
Nag-set ako ng alarm dito.
Sige, okay.
Yeah, so around like 11.0. Ano ba yan? 0.0.
That's 236.
May decimal. Hindi ako sanay sa mga decimal talaga, man. Big numbers yung nababasa.
Oo. Okay lang yan, man. That's what we do. You know, we
It's just
try
crazy.
to
na,
we
na ano ako na parang,
oh yeah. So yung yung
okay,
fib retracement, yung lagi ko din yung ginagamit para kasi it shows you the support and resistance without you even having to try and find them. So if you are looking to, I guess, use support and resistance, use your fib retracement. Start at the very top and
yep,
then end at the somewhere in the bottom. You could place it. Let me see if I can. Yeah, you could place it here, or you could place it down here, right down here, and until you can kind of get an accurate reading on the fib retracement. Kasi every fib retracement is different. There's settings, yeah, the settings is a bit different. I'll show you how mine is set up. Um, so that way you can kind of copy the settings and put it on yours. Because yours is a little bit different, but yours right here at the 0.236 area, right here, that would be your first sign of resistance. Well, actually, since you're sitting right down here, there is a possibility that mahit yung 50 MA. But since your support line is right there, you can actually scoot it down a little bit more towards the bottom wick, right down here, the bottom wick, to kind of just expect the worst. Expect the worst. So put your support line right there by the wick, and then you should be really close dito sa 50 MA, right? So that way, if there is a possibility, you're not like you're not going crazy because your support is like, oh, it broke the support again, and then you would think na meron pa siyang downside. So if you put your support line right down here where this wick is, then you will notice that your support line will match with the 50 MA, right? And then you can eventually see that it's getting really close to bouncing off of this support line right here. So once that bounce happens, your first sign of resistance, if you're trading any type of future spots or anything like that, scalping, you should be selling your position here. If you're in it for the long term, you shouldn't have to worry about selling anything. But your short term positions is sell resistance, right? Buy support, sell resistance, wait till it gets above this area here. And then once na may makita kang na bar or candle that closes up here, then you can, and as long as it's holding, then you can re-enter or find a re-entry point, and then your next sign of resistance is right up here, around this area, and then you just do the same thing over and over, right? If you're Here's another thing too. I think I noticed na maraming spot trading, scalping, and all that. Because all that is you're just buying shares, but you're selling it.
so more
You're
shares.
selling it at you should be selling at a resistance, and you should be selling it when you're in profit. But just in case na bumaba siya and you feel like, oh, I'm losing, you don't need to sell it, right? um hindi mo naman kailangan i-sell yung position mo kasi hindi naman yun future, it's not, you're not trading futures. You don't need a stop loss for trading those. You just need to wait until it is in profit, and then once it's in profit you can get out of that position. So that's the thing about spot trading. You can hold your position until it's in profit. So um but yeah, that's it.
Yep.
So unless you're trading
Um,
futures trading is you really do need
it has to be
a
kind
stop
of
loss. Yeah,
like
like
precise,
5% or something
not
like that.
precise, Like precise ba? Pero I'm not sure. It doesn't have to be precise.
Yeah.
Kasi ano to eh, hindi natin alam talaga eh, kasi maraming tao yung nagpapatakbo nito.
Yeah.
So anyway, and that's what I think about BTT. Back to you, Jun.
Okay, cool. All right.
Hindi may question pa. Question muna. What happened? Oh my.
Okay. So let me see. I'm gonna take you off the screen real quick. All right.
All right.
All right. Put you right there. So we were looking at vet or what? Okay. So look at the settings. Look at the settings here. Here, I'm gonna do another retracement. I'm gonna put it like right over here. So look at the settings on mine. Like just put, like this whatever numbers you see here. I don't know what do you call these, but retracements, I guess. But these settings are the right ones. Like the 702, the green line here, 0.618, purple, 0.5, yellow, 236 is right down here. So, yeah, I think XRP is not moving right now due to, what do you call it? I think it's waiting for that Monday or Tuesday news from the SEC. So, we will see sideways trading for a while. But yeah, just take a screenshot of this. That would be, and then just kind of apply it to your settings. And I want to show you guys something too. I want to show you guys something real quick. Somebody kind of showed me this chart. It's pretty cool. It makes you think. It makes you think how high XRP can definitely go. So let's delete that. Let's kind of start over. I'm gonna change my chart to log, and we're gonna change it to daily since it's yeah, perfect. All right. So kind of narrow it down a little bit more. Get rid of this real fast. Get rid of that real fast. So you guys can get a more clear picture. And do that real quick. There you go. So check this out. This is all right. Sorry. Hold on. Wrong one. There it is. So this is kind of like the trend line that's happening since the beginning of this chart, right? Which was since 2013. All right. So right there, and then we'll do another one. So look at this trend line. Look at that trend line. So we're currently right here on the present time, 2021. This was the 2012, 2013 rally. And then Bitcoin's capitulation happened here when Bitcoin kind of dropped big. XRP jumped up in price and then fell back down. That was back in 2014. And then we traded sideways for several years. And then we had the 2017 area, 2018, right? The bull cycle during that time. And then we moved up for the last time over here, beginning of 2018, which brought the price to $3.29, $3.30. That is the all-time high, right? So as you can see, it always comes up to this trend line, right? Resistance right here. And then you have a support line right down here. So currently we're sitting right here, right? So we might see that, that trading sideways. Where we at currently, if we were to compare, is we're right here. Okay, so we're right here. It's gonna move up to that $5 zone for us. That $5 zone. Okay, and then once we get pretty much reach the all-time high and settled around, I would say about $4 to $5 area, and kind of trade sideways right there. We have that one more move up, right? Kind of like what happened here. So if we were to compare that, so we would have that one move up to about, the $5. Well, from here it looks like we're gonna go to $10, right? That $10 range, trade sideways. And are we able to hit this resistance right up here, this upper trend line? What do you guys think? I mean, that's crazy. You're looking at, let's just say it's right here. That's $90, man. That is $93 that XRP can go up to. I mean, if you were to repeat the past, the history, and the way people traded during these times, right? If people were to act the same, right? I mean, just think about it. 2020 and 2021, investors are a little bit different, right? There are more people involved due to the pandemic, crypto and, all the stock market. People were pretty much introduced to it, right? Due to the pandemic. So if people acted the same way like they did here, and we have more people trading nowadays, right? Then do you think it's possible that we could repeat the past? Touch the upper trend line, kind of like how we did here? Or would it be, on the next bull cycle? Right? I mean, this is, yeah, you know what I'm saying? So we don't know. That's the crazy part. So, yeah, we don't know when.
It's gonna happen.
Right. But look at that, man. Look at that. If it repeats itself, this is on a daily chart. This is not even on a weekly or on a monthly. This is on a daily chart. So, it's going to be days. Days. So I don't know how many days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days until we hit, somewhere up here. I mean, let's just say, if it doesn't, right? If it doesn't, our next big support level, our resistance level is what? That $3.30 area, which is just right there, right? Once we break that, we're definitely going to $10.
Ilang days yung bro, yung gap ng from the highest to the consolidate.
Oh, how many?
The first run niya.
How many days until right from here or where?
The peak, right in the middle, down in the.
Right here. Here, we can do this. We can go. Let me add this real quick. Let me add that. I got my price range. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, there you go.
So here's how many days it took once we get through this part right here, which is around this area here, right? So we get past this $195, right? $1.95 range. Okay. Once we break that, right, and we go up to, whatever area it is over here, right? It took about another, I don't know why it says 208 days, but 208 bars. That's a long time. Yeah, that's a days. So that's how long it took for XRP to go towards that higher end area, right? The $3. But let's see, this started March 2017. End of March, we were already right here. And then right here, we were at May 2017, and then right here was December, right? So yeah, I mean that seems about right because we're barely what in starting May, right? May. So this last bull run, the last bull cycle, we hit the what price is that? 39 cents area. 39 cents around 18th of May or 2017 May, and then we traded sideways for several days. I mean, for several months, right? Right here up to December of 2017, and then up till January 7th or January 9th or something like that of 2018. So yeah, no, that's accurate. It took about 208 days for this big what do you call it? This massive consolidation period, right? Over here we're barely consolidating. So it let's see here. Consolidated for how long?
6 months. No?
Right here. 30 days. We consolidated for 30 days right here. Or less, maybe less, right? And finally we made that move up to 30 cents, 39 cents, 36 or whatever it is, 39. Then consolidated for this long, right? And then finally made that final move to that higher end of then consolidated for what is that? This long. Hold on. Right? Is that me? And then finally made that final move to that. Is that you, Arjan? All right. I think we're good. I think hold on. One moment. Housekeeping. You good? You got it? You got it fixed? Cool. Hold on. All right. Sorry, I had to fix that. I don't know where that volume was coming from. Okay, so yeah, so it took this long until we finally made this big move from 40 cents area to $3.30. That was a 1,400% move within just a month. Yeah, let's just say 1 month. XRP move 1,425%. So this is happening while Bitcoin was going down. So you got to realize this last parabolic move for XRP, Bitcoin was already going down at this point. And then think about when it happens again. Well, what did we say it was? 1,400%? Oh, why is it not moving? 1,400%. We'll just have to do it again. Boom, right there. If we were to do it again, oh, here I got another one. Let's see. Bars pattern. So bars pattern, if we were to repeat that, let's just say from here. Delete that real quick. This is interesting. So let's go with here all the way to here. There it is. Right there. Would take us approximately to $150. at the end of this bull cycle. And this right here would take us to $20, $20 area. But if we bring it down a little bit, just because that doesn't match there. There's the $10 mark. There it is, the $10, $11 mark. And then if we were to repeat this, it would take XRP exactly to $100. Sorry, that's more of the what the accurate thing is reading, right? So let's try that again. From there to here, is it 1400 move? 1400, yep, right there. It doesn't take us exactly all the way to the trend line, but I mean, if we were to repeat the pass, that's what would happen. Because if you match this here, if you match this, right, put it exactly right there, it would take. This is actually, this is what everybody's predicting already, the $10 move, right? And then once we consolidate from here, what is this? What is the lowest here? It was back down to $3. You would think that would be the end of it, right? You would think that would be the end, because you're just like, okay, well, it's hit $10 already, right? A lot of people are gonna be like panicking because, okay, that's it. That is the last. That's the last of this bull run. This is probably gonna happen around what is that? September area, Then we got a couple more months until January or December, January, right? So what is this? Oh, snap. It looks like it's June. So this is June, July. Then we're just consolidating for a while until December this year. And then sure enough, everybody's having a good New Year's. Right? But this is just, a speculation, guys. Don't make decisions based on this here. This is just, something that it could happen, it might not happen, right? So let's see if we compare this. Is it right there? Since we don't really have any history, maybe this is what happened. I don't know. We don't really have any history on this part here. We don't know. This is back in 2013, so, and then XRP kind of consolidated that this long here from 2013 all the way to 2017. And then that's when this picked up pretty much. So yeah, that's just something to keep in mind. That's why, like I'm saying, you should have long-term portfolio. And let's go back to that. Even if let's say we hit $10, right? We hit $10. And then you sell. I don't know. Me, personally, hindi ko isa lahat. Probably about, like I said, 70% of my portfolio I'm gonna sell. Right? I'm gonna sell it over here towards like $10, and then I'm just gonna leave the rest just in case that this happens. This kind of gives you the hope, right, of that $100 mark at the end of the year. So that would be pretty much the end of the bull run for sure. And then we have to wait another several years until we see another bull cycle, which is in XRP would be where I mean, with the innovation that XRP is going through now, right? Is we're gonna hit, go back down for several years. We're probably gonna go back down to $3, around this price range. XRP's price is never gonna be the same, right? So if you look at the previous years, XRP was sitting at 5 cents, and then right here we hit 17 cents. So what would be the future price when we hit bear market would be around $3. $2 to $3 right here. Right? Once we get over here, we go back down to bear market, $3, you know. So yeah, that consolidation period kind of brings us back down to about $3. Other than that, that's all I got. Yo, Arjan. Got anything else? Huh? Oh. Yo, Arjan. All right.
Yeah.
You got anything else to say before we go? We call it a day. Huh? Oh.
Yeah, man. Sasabihin ko lang sana sa XRP na gusto ko rin bumili dyan, actually. Naghahanap lang ako ng buying entry.
You got anything else to say before we go? We call it a day. Huh? Oh.
Yeah, man. Sasabihin ko lang sana sa XRP na
Yeah.
gusto ko rin bumili dyan, actually.
That's it? That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, we do this Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. usually, not 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. We will work on that for sure. We'll work on that because I've been putting in a lot of time lately, trying to I don't know why. I just need to go to sleep. Just somebody remind me. Somebody tell me, just hey, go to sleep, shut up, and that way you're not late in the morning. You know. But I am gonna take my days off seriously now. Like if I'm off Sunday, then I'm gonna try my best not to even look at the computer. Because it's a big problem for me. I look at the computer all the time. But other than that, guys, thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Thanks for the support. You guys have been amazing. And I'll see you guys on the next video. RJ, do you want to do the pilot captain thing? Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Thank you guys. I'll see you on Discord. Just private message me if you have any questions. We can chat there. Oh man. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got. I appreciate it, guys. Have a good weekend. And enjoy your time with your family, okay? That's why we here. We do this for the fam. All right, guys. See y'all later.